Now there are two little parrots flapping with glee, playing around in the cool green tree. Here comes another, bright as can be. Look up now, now there are three little parrots chirping once more. One joins the fun, swooping to explore. They flap their wings and laugh as they